Okay, so right now I'm going to talk about 5 just absolute must-have accessories from V2 SIGs. Um, I'm on the V2 SIGs website to show you kind of what they are or how to get them. First one I want to talk about is the V2 Power SIG. And if you use a computer a lot like I do, this is an absolute must-have because it gives you flexibility in front of your computer to just have something plugged in, and kind of the ingenious design of it. It means there's no charging. You plug it in and you can use it right away, and gives you a nice long cable. I think it's a 7.5 foot cable with a nice little coil, so it doesn't get too out of control. But if you just use your computer or a laptop kind of daily, it's just good to have something next to you that you can kind of puff on. And for $24.95, you can't beat it, especially when it comes with a 5 pack of flavor cartridges. Um, Now each flavor cartridge is approximately uh, one box of cigarettes, one pack of cigarettes. So about 20. So you talk about basically getting 5 boxes of cigarettes for $5 each, and they throw in the Power Sig for free. You can get it in both white and black. Um, so that's a V2 Power Sig, and it kind of changes the perspective of a lot of people who work at a computer. Um, so next, I want to talk about the car adapter, and this is pretty self-explanatory. Anytime you're on the go, the right car adapter just goes in at the USB port. Um, so you can use other car adapter. The one thing about the 2 amp one that it has, you can use the smart charger. The V2 smart charger, which comes inside every power kit, charges twice as fast as just like a normal USB charger. Um, and so it's the right amps. We'll make sure that for $9.95, make sure that you have get maximum life out of your batteries, get the fastest charge. Um, that can be used in conjunction with the express charger. I personally, that would be the third one I talked about, is the express charger. What I like is, more and more, even airports, places like that, there's always a place where you can plug in something in via USB instead of needing a power outlet. And the V2 Express charger is this tiny, tiny little dongle that you can put anywhere. Um, and the other thing that V2 does great, and you'll actually see that later, is they'll monitor the amount of charge in your battery currently. Um, and this little V2 logo right here glows blue when it's ready. Um, and it tests the battery. So for $10, having something you can just have in your pocket or in your case, which we're going to talk about cases next. So V2, the next two things we're going to talk about are cases. V2 offers 2 kinds of cases. First, you'll see I'm going to kind of lump these into one, this metal carry case and the V2 soft case. Basically, they're kind of, V2 is kind of bringing back the old style of the sleek cigarette case that you can take out. You see the metal carry case has 4 cartridges and a battery, just in a cool like slide open like wallet business card kind of thing. Um, it's pretty stylish, especially compared to say like the lanyard, which I guess it has its use, but you probably wouldn't catch me wearing a lanyard around. And similar with the soft case, and the difference between the hard case and the soft case is really preference. The soft case carries a little bit more, but it's a little bit bigger to open. I would say the soft case for a woman who carries a purse or something like that. Where the hard case would be more of a pocket size thing. V2 soft case would also be really good to like keep in your glove compartment, etc. But so that's the cases. The final thing I want to talk about is one that kind of combines a bunch of things that we were just talking about. And I'm talking about the V2 portable charging case. And they have two sizes. They have the regular and the XL. And if you take a look, it's a little bit of a larger version of the hard case. You know, so you still got that style. Now the thing inside the portable charging case is actually a larger battery that will charge your individual battery, uh, you know, about 8 times before it needs to be recharged. So it's almost like being able to walk around with an electrical outlet in your pocket. And for the price of $49.95 or $59.95, which is the XL that carries a little bit more, carries a larger battery. And this is the most sophisticated carrying case for electronic cigarettes today. So hopefully after watching this video, you're a little more clear on your different options and kind of what direction you want to go with when you order your electronic cigarette accessories.